G'day legends, how are ya? Now, how often you been out bush? You're keen for a decent brekkie, but you're just a little strapped on time. Well, today I'm going to show you a ripper little method on how to make a bacon egg roll in your Jaffle line. The best part is, it takes no time at all. Let's get to it. Our first step is to grease up our Jaffle line and use it to fry up a couple of rashers of bacon. While that's sizzling away, it gives us plenty of time to sort out the rest of our Jaffle. Step one, you want to butter both sides of your bread. That bacon is nice and crispy now, but before I go any further, I'm just going to let that Jaffle line cool down for a couple of minutes before I start loading it up again. Righto, we're good to go. Just make sure you give it another spray with oil before you start loading it up. Place your bread in the Jaffle, crack an egg in, layer up some bacon, put on a slice of cheese, a squirt of barbecue sauce, close it up, and then straight into the fire. Now the secret to this is to keep turning it so it cooks through evenly. Keep cooking until golden brown. Now you do want to exercise a little bit of caution freeing your breakfast from the Jaffle line because it will be roasting hot, so use tongs and knives where possible. Make sure you don't rest that on anything plastic. Righto, let's cut it in half and see how it looks. Well, there you have it, bacon egg rolls in your Jaffle line. They're quick, they're easy, and the best part, they're the breakfast of champions. Till next time guys, have a good one. Catch you out there.